What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Kia just unveiled the new EV5 Concept SUV, a production model that will be launched later this year in China. Now, the Kia Concept EV5 is a prelude to Kia's next dedicated EV model as a leading sustainable mobility solution provider. Now, in a major announcement at the Kia Chinese EV Day, Kia Corporation unveiled its latest offering, the Concept EV5, the all-electric SUV concept that was the highlight of the event, showcasing the company's vision to establish itself as a global leader in electrification. Now, the Concept EV5 is inspired by Kia's Opposites United design philosophy, which blends contrasted elements to create a unique and harmonious aesthetic. Now, the production model of the Kia EV5 will be released first in the Chinese market later this year, and details regarding any future plans of the other global markets will be made in due course. Now, the sleek and modern design of the Concept EV5 is a clear indication of the new design direction that Kia is taking for its future fully electric models. The vehicle's sharp lines and futuristic features give it a distinct personality that is sure to turn heads on the road. Now, Kia's design team has been galvanized by the Opposites United design philosophy, which celebrates the creative tension formed by combining contrasting visual influences of nature and modernity. Now, the philosophy has influenced the design of the Concept EV5, particularly the Bold for Nature pillar, which has created a unique SUV for those seeking borderless life where nature and the city are seamlessly integrated. Now, the Concept EV5 boasts a progressive look from all angles, yet still retains its authenticity as a member of the Kia family. The digital tiger face at the front of the vehicle projects a clean, dignified, and robust appearance while paying homage to the famous Kia Tiger Nose grille. The confident new design is integrated with Kia's Star Map signature lighting technology, which introduces the concept of the constellation connecting stars to a clean face. Now, the futuristic flowing pattern created by the digital lighting extends down the side of the Concept EV5, solidifying its status as a pure EV. The SUV's sculpted lines, square fenders, and powerful stance exude a serene sense of strength that is amplified through its paintwork finish inspired by a rich, formidable hue found in nature, iceberg matte green. Now, completing the picture are striking 21-inch wheels and an aerodynamic enhancing roof spoiler. Now, the completely flat floor and the generous space found in the cabin of the EV5 create a space of coexistence where nature, people, and technology can come together in harmony. Combined with the design themes of healing, caring, and recharging, the interior of the Concept EV5 provides the perfect environment for occupants to relax. Now, the interior color palette brings calmness and purity, while the center fascia emphasizes the philosophy of bold for nature through the application of contrasting materials, while the large, wide panoramic display provides greater levels of content for occupants to enjoy. Now, the Concept EV5 achieves a balanced design that blurs the boundaries between outdoor and indoor spaces. Innovative swivel seats enable occupants to sit in tranquility and, depending on where they have parked, enjoy uninterrupted views of the scenery around them. Now, as darkness falls, the wide, full-length panoramic roof, which will also act as solar panels, provides the perfect opportunity for occupants to enjoy the stars as they emerge in the sky above. Now, the advanced bridge of lighting technology within the SUV can be adjusted to suit the needs and reflect moods of the occupants. So with that said, this is a great SUV concept for Kia just after the EV9 debut last week. So with that said, what are you guys thinking about Kia's Concept EV5 debut? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the new Kia EV5 SUV. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Helps keep the channel going, guys. I thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and the social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.